Greetings from Dave B's Kitchen. We recently spent a day at the beach, fishing and enjoying the sun. On our return, we discovered the fishing cart had a flat tire. Lo and behold, it had been punctured. We called around to several local fish and tackle places, and everyone's tires are back ordered. No spares to be found. So a couple of locals gave us an idea to use a hot soldering iron, which would basically melt the rubber on the tire and pull it back together. So we ran to our local hardware store and picked ourselves up a butane soldering iron. Once you fill it and get it hot, you can see the smoke coming off the tip. You just continue to run it over the area where the hole was, being careful not to burn another hole in the rubber. After taking multiple passes on the area that was punctured, it looked like the rubber was bonded on the tire. So we let it set and cool. Once the tire had completely cooled, we added air back into the tire and let it set for 24 hours. We then put the tires back on the cart and added weight to the cart. Look at that. No flat tire today. We're ready to go fishing again. Thanks to the locals for the great tip. Thanks for watching.